Hi, how to duplicate each page of a PDF. So for example, I have this PDF here and I want to duplicate each individual page at the side. So I have that page one there and page one there again, same copy, and then you would print it on say A3 rather than A4 to get both copies. Or you could print it A4 resized if you wanted to get two copies on a page. So to do this, it's quite simple. You just need PDF Imposition desktop edition. You put in your file there, what you want to imposition, and you click on processing type. In this case I just want 2 across, and then click duplicate each page and then click impose. So that's now finished. So if I click on view to view the output, you can see now we've got each page across. If I go on to page 2, it's exactly the same all the way down. Also you can do it with more as well, so you can do say 3 up across, impose. So if you want to do like business cards for example, you could do that with this. Put 3 on a sheet for example, and you can also go further with this, so you can do it like 8 up like that. So that's done. Click on view and see now you've got 8 up on a sheet. So it's quite good for like flyers, business cards, anything really. And then you can print that out and you get so many sheets. And that's it. Give it a try.